Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. I seem to have been doing those a lot lately, but I just can't help myself. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. Anyhow, let me grab it. I want to show you the box. So this is the box that my beautiful new item came in, and I did say item, so I'm not revealing anything. You don't know if it's a hat, if it's a bag, it could be a jacket. You don't know. Who knows? Well, I'll probably put it in the description box, so you'll probably know. But if you didn't read anything, if you just clicked on it because it was me, then maybe you won't know. I'll put something in the description box, but you won't know exactly what it is until the moment that I know. We can't have you knowing before I know. So I'm gonna use my handy dandy ceramic knife. And I'm telling you, it is handy and dandy. I do love it. All right, let's reveal it to you the same moment that I get to see it. You will see my raw, honest, truthful reaction. And I'm a little nervous, I have to tell you. It is from Saks Fifth Avenue. They are known better than many department stores for their packaging. But I have found, that's my receipt. I'm just going to discard that. I have found that whenever I order items that are not coming directly from a store, that I get this excellent packaging. Now, I have heard from many a person who unboxed this particular item, and I don't know if you can tell what this is. Any guesses? Any guesses? I see handles. So it must not be a hat. So I've heard from many a persons who have gotten an item like this that it came folded and they didn't like that. And I can just about guarantee, well, no, I can't. I was going to say I think it's folded, but it's not folded. It just looks so little. Oh my goodness, it looks so teeny tiny. All right, I can't wait any longer. Let me open it. I do think I'm going to like it. Okay, so you know, I have obsessions. We've talked about this lately. My obsessions are what? I'm going to quiz you. 1 is hats. 2 is denim. And I'm trying to think of another good one. And that's just relating to the things I do videos on. I have all sorts of other obsessions that I won't even tell you about. I'm going to do the reveal with you. I'm not looking, so you better not look. I'm just kidding. I want you to look. I am sort of looking because I can see myself, believe it or not. I'm recording on my phone and it allows me to look at myself while I'm filming. The bad thing is that I have to look over here for you to think I'm looking at you. And so I can't really look at myself. So this is like a blind unboxing. Okay, so Saks is the only one who had this particular item. At one time, Marc Jacobs had this item too, but they don't have it anymore. Okay, let's see. They said it was denim, or the description says it's denim. It almost feels more like a thick canvas than a denim, but I think it's denim. It's just all different kinds of denim. I mean, this feels a lot like my black jeans, and this feels a lot like my gray jeans, but this almost feels softer than my gray jeans, almost like a corduroy without the little stripy things going down it. So I picked this Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, after having my negative, poor, terrible, no good experiences with the bag that I got from Bloomingdale's, who were very gracious and returned it, no questions. And then the bag that I got from Farfetch, who were not so gracious and gave me heart palpitations for like a month. So I have not considered buying another Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, because of that Farfetch experience. And I'm still not going to buy anything else from them. I don't care what good deal they offer. They're done. They're dead to me. But with the denim bags I have, I've noticed that they're kind of squishy and they're really soft. And I got to thinking, the reason why I didn't try again on the leather Marc Jacobs, the tote, is because it was very boxy and wide on the body. And the leather had those little micro cracks in it. And I was worried that that would lead to flaking and color loss in the future. My thinking cap went on and I thought, oh, if I want to try out the tote bag, maybe I need to get it in a different material. And so hence the denim. And I'm pretty darn sure I'm going to keep this bag. Let me look at it. Can I get my glasses on? Is that okay with you? I know I look a little worse for wear when I put them on. Actually, the main reason why I don't put them on at all now is because this ring light, look, it's like major, ooh, I don't like that. So I'm going to look directly at the bag instead of at you. I guess I can kind of give you the side eye and then you don't see the ring light in my glasses. Okay, so I can side eye you. So the Marc Jacobs is embroidered. There's not one pulled thread or loose stitch on there. The bag itself has no glazing. Gotta do the side eye. Gotta do that. The bag has no glazing. One of my main issues with the initial bag that I got was that, and the follow-up was that the glazing had issues and there was glue and all kinds of issues. No glazing on this one, it's fabric. So far, we've got perfection. I'm gonna pull off the covers off of the handle, and oh no, they did put tape on. They packed it like they meant it. I'm gonna have to leave those little pieces of tape on till later. Okay, so many of the Marc Jacobs canvas bags, in fact, all of them that I've seen, they have canvas handles. And the ones I like the best, of course, are really light in color, and so that scares me off. But these are dark in color, and not only that, but there's leather on the handles, which I think is a really cool added detail. So I'm loving that. And then I'm gonna be really sad if there's not a strap in here, because you know I like my straps. It still has the little part here that hooks magnetically, but I have found that if I want to use the strap, I tuck that part in. According to my last trial run I had with, well, it wasn't the Farfetch bag. I didn't even hardly play with that bag. Maybe it was the Farfetch bag that I put the strap on for a moment. But if you tuck that zipper thing in, then all of a sudden you have no obstruction to your little D-rings. So let's open her up and voila, I have a strap. And it's got the longest plastic thingy ever. So let me unwrap the plastic thingy now. So this was not, I don't think this was fully factory wrapped. I think somebody took the care to wrap this for me and make me feel special. And I do feel special. I feel oh so special. Thank you, whoever you are, somebody, for doing this for me. Okay, so excellent news. This gorgeous strap is kind of a nylon cottony material, and I have a couple, I'm not saying one, I have at least two, no, I have at least 3 Longchamp bags that this strap is going to be excellent for. No, 4. I have 4 that are black with silver hardware that this is going to be the most amazing strap for. I'm so super excited. It doesn't say Marc Jacobs on it. I don't really like to wear a strap that has Marc Jacobs written on it when I am carrying a bag that is Longchamp with little to no branding. So let's put the strap on. That's what she said. I'm copying you, Winnie B. Let's put the strap on this bag. Now, inside of the bag, it's lined in what feels like a canvas. It has a little care booklet of some sort in there and some silica that says do not eat. Do you know a lot of times they put this silica in different kinds of spices? It's a little bit of training I had whenever I used to sell cooking spices, and they put the silica like in taco seasoning, and this says do not eat, do not eat, do not eat, do not eat. And they put it in taco seasoning. So my company, well, the company I represented said, don't get the stuff at the store, use our stuff. And if it clumps, it's supposed to. You just take a fork and break it up. Random side note. So the thing that I liked the least about the Rose Dust, the tote bag, was how it bulged out from my body. And I said, that's what I like the least. Actually, what I really liked the least was all the defects. I would have kept it if it weren't for that. This is awesome. This is awesome. This is great. Look how low of a profile that bag has. And I know, when I put my stuff in it, it won't be quite that low, but the handles, they're not quite as stiff. And of course, I can lower it down a little bit more. So I am loving it. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is so cute. And I can put my stuff in and then just get into it like this and put my hand in and grab my stuff out, close it up, take it off, like pick it up like this, put it on my car seat next to me, take it like this, put it back on my body. And the strap, I mean, this is win, 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 win. This is 1,000 times 1,000% win. Let's do a spin. Speaking of win and spin, let's do a spin. So that's where the little piece goes that you tuck in that will get in the way of your strap. And so I like to tuck it in the bag. But if you're carrying it top handle, that's pretty cool. It's interesting. There's another YouTuber out there. Her name's Shelly. And I'll link her video below if I can find it. But she said that this felt like it was cardboard, not leather. And I don't think it's cardboard. But it is a really interesting texture. It's almost like the leather was stitched to cardboard to make it hard. Let's do a little close-up so you can see all the textures. Do another side view. A little bent up, but look, even those little leather tabs there are so cute. I think I already showed you that side because this side's the side you haven't seen. It's got the tab on both sides. This side has lighter gray. Wait, I guess they both do. It looks way lighter when I move it close. So see, that's about what color it is. And that's what color it is when it's all blown out with the light. And of course the handles. And those are really nice smooth leather. And then the strap has this really nice smooth leather with like a little bit of puff to it. And then of course Marc Jacobs is stitched on there. And then the bottom is just this denim, and I may have an insert that I'll stick in there to kind of give it a little bit of shape without making it too boxy. But this is a win. I think she's a keeper, and I'm just delighted. I may pick up another one of these that's more summery in some sort of a fabric, but it's got to be special. It can't be just the plain canvas. It has to at least contain some other materials. Like I've seen some canvas or jacquard that have leather trim. I've seen some jacquard ones that have the embroidery. I really like one. It's like a heather gray. It's called the Summer Tote and it has blue. I would love to find that one in the mini. So that may be my next one that I try to hunt down. But I'm loving this. I'm so happy I decided to give Marc another chance. And Saks, you did an excellent job. I really wish you would have increased your cash back though on Rakuten or TopCashBack or wherever it was that I used. Actually, I think I used Fat Coupon for the first time. So I actually got, I think, $25 cash back for signing up, and the percentage and everything all added up to about $25, but I can't cash out till I get 50. So I may have to find another thing to buy so that I can get $50. If you're interested in that Fat Coupon thing, I'll put my referral link down below. And I'll put the link for this beauty too. Recommend thumbs up ×2, which is awesome since yesterday was a thumbs down. I'm Erin and I'm the Handbag Housewife. I hope this video finds you well. I look forward to seeing you all very soon. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so you don't miss exciting new content like this. And also you can find me on Instagram under the same name, the @ then the Handbag Housewife. I hope you all have a fabulous holiday weekend and I will talk to you real soon. Bye.